Right, it's James here. I've got to be really quiet because we're in the corridor, look. In the office corridor. We're not really supposed to make any noise in the corridors because people are working around you, but what I want to do just quickly is just show you how we set up our live stream. So look, we've got here's our office here, just in case you ever visit us. This is where we are. I'll try and give you a bit of a perspective. Let's go on in. Let's go on into the actual office. And we should see some interesting. So it looks a bit mad when you first come in. Close the door behind me. Look, it's a massive screen in front, which I'll show you the reason for that. Over here, you can see we've kind of got all of our storage stuff on microphones. It's a bit of a mess, if I'm honest. There's a bit of our technology. Look in there. We've got. Let me just come out a second. In there, we've got extra microphones. We've got tripods. If you look down here, we've got other microphones in there. You get the idea. Look, it's a bit mad now. We've got all kinds of pop filters. We've got shock mounts, all kinds of stuff down here. We've got more of our roadmap stuff here. If you look in here, here's our green screen material just behind here. Whiteboard's been put away from it. Little buzzer there. If we go around here, I won't show you down there because it's James's mess. But if I show you around here, we're going to get a little shot of Marta. She's just preparing for her live stream right now. So first of all, I want you to know that we in this office are about to move out because we basically do not fit under any circumstances anymore in this space. So let me show you what we're doing. So we've got Marta. She's desperate not to be in the camera, but here she is. Look, Marta, tell us what you've got in front of you. You've got some mad technology there.
Yes, so I've got a computer. They're probably familiar with the idea of a laptop computer.
Yeah.
But I've also got our
it's not switched on, right?
Tablet. It's not switched on at the moment.
Okay, how does that work?
It's our tablet, so this is connected to the computer, and this is where we create our canvases. This is where when we do our
and the pen gives a little show of the pen.
This is the pen that's used with the tablet, and this is where we do our writing and all of that. And that's why our handwriting, although it tends to look messy, it could be even worse if we were doing it just with a finger on a computer face or something.
And then we have to focus on this fella behind here. What is this? What is this thing?
Oh,
here?
this. Sorry, I thought you meant this.
What are we looking at?
I thought you meant this.
No, I think we all know what that is.
Right.
What's this thing here?
So this is our mixer.
Mm-hmm.
So this is where...
Do you mean our VR3-EX video audio mixer?
Yeah, I mean our mixer, yes.
Yeah.
So this is where where the microphones and the camera are switched on to, and we can decide what
camera over there, of course. Hey, but just anyone's interested, my little pride and joy out the back of my little bike there as well. Anyway, keep an eye on that.
So we decide, here is where we can control what microphones we can hear, and if we had more than one camera, what camera we would be able to to see and to send to the what's it called, the software.
Okay, and then Mike, who would normally be here, he's on the T-Run. There's his little microphone. Let me just introduce you to some of my little friends. I know it's a mess on the table, don't judge us. Let's not put Mike's bank card. This little fella here, this is called an SM58. Let me get me in the shot doing this. This one's an SM58. It's the old classic. You'll see this a lot on the TV. The SM58. Nice little microphone, rock solid, basically unbreakable, and it's a great little microphone to use. It goes to an XLR input that's on there. We put that on there with a very basic stand. Then Marta, can you show us the SM7B? Here's Mike bringing gifts. So is the SM.
Is this what you mean? I just know this is a microphone.
This is an SM7B. It's the classic.
The classic, totally classic.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
So it's about this big, and it's got a soft bit.
Show us inside. Show me inside it.
Inside it.
There's a condenser microphone, of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. One of those.
Tell us about it.
So you talk on in it.
Why would you not have it there, for example?
Because it will be too far.
Okay.
You could have it there, but then nobody would hear anything. So you bring it close, and then you speak, and then the people who are watching, then they can hear. So
okay. Can we take the
I can't.
The end off? I think you just pull it off. No, not like that. Okay, I'll do that in a minute. Okay,
Okay.
Just put it off like that.
Then we got another one here. There's the other SM7B. Mike gets the slightly more basic microphone over there, but
classic.
Here's the old SM7B as well. Here's my one for today because I'm controlling. I can't get it off either.
You see.
But there's the SM7B. It's a beauty. And then over here, I'm actually showing you my emails. Rather disastrous email right now. Over here we have the mixer, which carries all the signal. The mixer is carrying all the signal. It comes out of this cable here, and eventually goes through this cable here and goes in the back of my computer, and it comes out to to this bit of technology here. So if I just quickly show you, for example, that there's, let me make sure I've got it right. Is the camera on, guys?
No.
Can you turn the camera on? So
Yeah.
here's our holding screen, for example. Here's our advert. We have other things to throw in. Here's our little screen capture, so we can show things. Now, if I just change this to show the website, for example, we can see that being pulled through here. And I have to hit this button to stream it live to YouTube. This button up here. It's called Wirecast, in case anyone's interested. So that's how that works, like that. And have we got March on the screen now?
Have we?
Is she on? See if we can March on the screen. CC.
Hello.
Not got anything coming through at the moment. You
No.
sure you've put the right cable in?
Maybe just the ghost. Oh no, there's no cable.
Ah, there's
no cable. So
this.
that might be it.
There's the cable. Not in the end. So Mike's gonna push the camera in, because you need to do. You can see me in the background there. And there we go. We got a lovely shot of Marta looking resplendent and orange. Marta, you do have to cut down a little on the fake tan. I feel.
I know.
So we're going to. You see here, we're going at 25 frames per second. We're going at 720 by 576, which is the most basic form of what you would refer to as HD. Yeah, and we don't have any delay on the video, so it works. It works that way. So yeah, so that's how we do that. So we go from computer.
What from?
No.
I see.
Computer.
Yeah.
Into media tablet. Into mixer. Mixes it with all the sound, everything. Numerous microphones. That then goes into the computer, and the computer into the software, and the software then streams it up to, where have you gone? The software then streams it up to here, and this is our session ready to go, which we're going on in a minute. Okay, so that's how we do it. So I thought I'd show you. Anybody want any more information on that, then obviously you can get in touch and ask us about it. It's kind of a cool thing to do. When I bought this stuff, these guys were like, what the hell are you buying that stuff for? It's ridiculous. But I had a master plan. I didn't know either at the time, but I knew we'd do something with it. And yeah, and obviously here's our little backdrop. You can see above the shot, outside the shot, it's a big mess. Even on the floor, it's a big mess. Cables everywhere. So what you can see on the live stream is reasonably tidy, but in reality, it's a disgusting mess. Anything from you guys before we finish? A little video?
No, not really.
No.
Just
want me to stop?
Yeah, we just need to get ready for the live broadcast. Really.
How long we got?
About 10 minutes, if that.
See you later, folks. All the best. I'm messing around. Which button do I have to press again? Hang on a minute, you lot. I've had a nightmare. Cheers, guys. Bye.